风灿，
好，
已经开始录了。
来嘛。
Hello everyone, I'm Min.
I'm Michael.
We are married. We are both in Germany. I originally come from China, and Michael.
From Germany.
Yeah. So welcome to our channel, Bistro Ginkgo. Michael, why do you want to do this channel?
Because you cook so nice.
Oh, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And before we had a Bistro Ginkgo, which was a real vegan restaurant in Duisburg from 2020 to 2023. And do you think that we can use some of our recipes to show the people all over the world to share our experience?
Sure. But you never know if they get the same taste like you.
Oh, I think everybody has the chance and the talent to be a vegan dish architect for himself. And there is no dish better than you cook by yourself and you have the feeling of success.
She only cooks real food, no prefabricated ingredients. And she never tastes. She only smells and then it's perfect.
Oh, thank you so much. I think because you love me.
I love your food.
Before we got married, I think your father once asked you one very interesting question.
I don't remember.
What is the criteria to choose your girlfriend?
Don't remember.
Oh, he said you choose your girlfriend because she can cook very good, delicious food.
No. This is just by accident.
Well, during Bistro Ginkgo, we went the whole journey from the flexible food, which is natural seasoned, to completely vegan. And then with Bistro Ginkgo, with the 3 years, we become vegan ourselves. Not 100%, but now our nutrition is like maybe 80 to 90% pure vegan with low carb. Do you think this is a good way for us, for your fitness and for your happiness?
Yeah, best way. Because all this pizza, noodles and bread stuff only makes you tired. And no real nutrition.
And I think why do we want to show people to cook like this way? Because it's quick. Because it's quick. Because it's quick. It's easy.
Yeah, maybe.
And sometimes it's a little bit cheap also. So we really want you to join us, to give us your advice, to question us, to build a very nice, healthy, happy community together with us.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Da bin ich mal gespannt.